Welcome back to Living the Dream. Now, for these two cities, there is nothing dreamy or barely living in these two cities. So we're going to compare which is actually worse, Chicago or San Francisco today. All right. So the age-old debate of Chicago versus San Francisco, which is worse, we're going to break it down to some cold, hard statistics on crime and homelessness. But before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe to these videos and turn on the notification so that you don't miss any of the content that we're going to be coming out with in the next month or two. All right, so let's look at crime statistics. All right, Chicago and San Francisco were both amazing cities, and they could be, but they do have their fair share of challenges. According to recent data, Chicago has a higher overall crime rate compared to San Francisco. In fact, in 2023, Chicago reported violent crimes up by 1,000%, while San Francisco had approximately 72%. Now, we're going to show you some other data from some other sites that actually compares these two cities. Now, it's important to note that crime can vary from neighborhood to neighborhood. And what we're just seeing is that in San Francisco, it looks like damage to property and theft is way higher than any other place in the United States. But in Chicago, they have more murders and violent crimes. So I guess when it comes down to it, you can see there's major differences. But are you a business owner or you just want to survive going to and from the street? If you're a business owner, I probably would not be in San Francisco. For just survival purposes, and Chicago's a lot colder than San Francisco, especially in the winter, and their homeless populations are pretty much underground instead of San Francisco's, which are right out in the open. But San Francisco does have a poop map. Okay. All right. What do you think? Which would you want to visit right now? Would you want to visit any? I hope you found this useful and enjoyable. And as always, have a wonderful and blessed day.